right. Oh, mate, that must be the gap.
And my school friends were wise to it. More impressively, they'd worked out that they could induce a hemorrhage themselves by tethering me to the roundabout with the strap of my own school bag.
Hole!
Yeah, you just do that, mate.
The shelves, but I never did get. But I never did get the.
Ta-da! Totally worth it running that red light to then be caught at another red light about 100 yards down the road. That's for you, Mr. Truck Driver. That's for you.
Someone's being a naughty boy. Oh, it's a clapped out Polo. They were definitely being naughty.
Where are you going? You idiot! What a idiot.
Can I open?
No indicators to be found here. Mr. Kia. That's a wonderful piece of parking there, Mr. Audi, on the corner on the double yellows.
being nice. When I had to go across into the other lane the other time, Thursday, I wanted to let me in. I started indicating all the way back there, and I was like here before somebody finally let me in. And I had to stop for 3 people because they wouldn't let me in.
It's a merging turn, so the guy in the van, yeah, I was here before the guy in the white van was here before me, but he used all the available road space in lane 2 to come forward. So to keep traffic moving, that's what you do.
No, the other ones don't. They're just like, I'm not getting behind that car.
Well, the other ones don't know how to do it because they're idiots. That's how it does. You know, it's some kind of pride thing to block the lane for some stupid reason. That's just basic merging turn. People just don't like doing it because they're arseholes. It's as simple as that.
Whoa, where you going? Get out! Do you reckon they're turning round? What are you doing, you idiot?
It's all going to fit into place. I mean, from my limited knowledge, I would say that Fury does it.
This one's for Robin Hood Dash Cam. What the frig is that? See, it's a proper old school Jaguar. Aha, a 4.2. Very nice. Sorry about the shaky footage, guys. A Rolls Royce. An old school 3 Series BMW, and what appears to be a rather rare MGB GT V8.